Have you ever been in the middle of printing and realized your label alignment is all out of whack? Are your labels not cutting on the gap between two labels? Are your margins or start position messed up? Don't worry, we'll cover how to fix these alignment issues in this video. When using the Primera LX910, you'll be able to make alignment adjustments through the Primera PrintHub. Under Print Alignment tab, there are three options: tear off/cut position, left margin offset, and top of form. If your label is not cutting on the gap between two labels, then try adjusting the tear off/cut position. When your label is being cut before the end of your label, increase the tear off/cut position value. When your label is cutting into the next label, decrease the tear off/cut position value. Another issue you may have are incorrect margins. First, make sure your labels are properly loaded. Ensure there is no gap between the liner and the movable throat guide. Next, try adjusting the left margin offset. This will allow you to adjust the left and right margins. If the right margin is not printing properly, increase the left margin offset value. If the left margin is not printing properly, decrease the left margin offset value. This may take several adjustments to get your label margins just right. Does your label start printing before or after the beginning of your label? Then try adjusting the top of form. This allows you to adjust where on the label the design will start printing. When your label design starts printing before the beginning of your label, then increase the top of form value. When your label design starts printing after the beginning of your label, then decrease the top of form value. After each adjustment, you can click on Test Alignment to print a test label. Once you've made your adjustments, your label should be properly aligned. In need of inkjet labels for your Primera LX910? Visit smithcorona.com or give us a call at 1-800-875-7000.